In this video, we're breaking down the strengths and weaknesses of these two 3D printing giants. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first printer or an experienced maker ready to upgrade, this comparison will help you make the right choice. So stick around, and by the end, you'll know which printer is worth your investment. Let's start with the Creality Ender 3V2. This machine is known for its affordability and great value. Priced at under $300, it's perfect for beginners or those on a budget. It has a solid build, decent print quality, and is pretty easy to upgrade with a massive community behind it. But, of course, there are some trade-offs at this price point, like fewer out-of-the-box features. Now, moving to the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus. This one's a beast in the 3D printing world with a higher price tag of about $750, but it's packed with features. You get things like auto bed leveling, a filament sensor, and quieter operation. It's ideal for hobbyists and pros who want top-notch performance and are willing to invest in it. All right, now the part we've all been waiting for, print quality. We printed the same model on both machines, and here's what we found. The Ender 3V2 does a good job, especially for its price, but the finer details can sometimes get lost, especially on more complex models. It also struggles a bit with stringing on certain prints. On the other hand, the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus really shines here. The details are much sharper, layer lines are smoother, and it handles intricate prints with ease. If you're someone who wants professional-looking prints with minimal tweaking, Prusa has the edge. But again, it comes down to whether you want to spend extra for that next-level quality. Let's talk about using these machines day to day. The Ender 3V2 can take a bit longer to set up, especially if you're new to 3D printing. It's not hard, but it's not exactly plug-and-play either. However, once it's up and running, it's a workhorse. The Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is more beginner-friendly in terms of setup and operation. The automatic features like bed leveling make things easier, and overall, it's just more reliable out of the box. But if you're on a budget or don't mind spending time tinkering, the Ender is still a solid option. Now let's break down the costs. The Ender 3V2 is way more affordable upfront, and even with upgrades, it's still a budget-friendly option. However, the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is more expensive, but it comes with all the bells and whistles. Plus, the ongoing costs for things like filament are pretty similar between the two. So it's really about how much you're willing to invest upfront for convenience and high-end features. If you're just getting started, the Ender 3V2 is a fantastic entry point. But if you want a machine that'll give you fewer headaches and better prints from the start, the Prusa is worth considering. So, which one should you get? If you're on a budget or love tinkering and upgrading, the Creality Ender 3V2 is a great pick. It gets the job done without breaking the bank. But if you're after a printer that's more advanced, reliable, and produces higher quality prints right out of the box, then the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is hard to beat. At the end of the day, it comes down to your budget, your experience level, and how much tinkering you're comfortable with. If this comparison helped you out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community. We got plenty more 3D printing content coming your way, so stay tuned. And let me know in the comments, are you Team Ender or Team Prusa?